People First language in mental health. Treat people as individuals. We all want to be accepted for being ourselves. Our talents and skills don't go away because we have a mental health diagnosis. We all want to have our own choices in our lives. We all have different abilities. Nobody wants to be labeled because of their life experiences. We are all unique individuals. Even people with the same type of mental health life experiences are unique. Labeling creates a stigma about a person based on one part. That's why it's important to recognize everyone as an individual rather than a label. A person is not an illness. We all deserve respect and acceptance. What is stigma? Judging a person based on your own values creates a label. Labeling a person creates a negative image, also known as a stigma. Stigma is the result of false ideas that people have when they describe someone they see as different. We stigmatize other people when we use a word, phrase, or a category that is judgmental, which can lead to unfair treatment. This happens because we don't know or understand a person's differences. Stigma often separates us from the rest of our community, leaving us feeling alone. Stigma comes in many forms. It can be simple and direct, like a negative word directed at you. It can also be hidden, like when a person thinks you cannot do your job, or that you are violent and dangerous because of your life experiences. Stigma can come from family and friends, or from strangers, and even sometimes from medical or mental health professionals. Sometimes you can even stigmatize yourself by believing and accepting other people's false labels about yourself. Labels are not usually correct and lead to isolation. Even the idea that only some people can recover creates a stigma. Recovery is an individual choice and varies from person to person. In these ways, stigma may negatively impact your own mental health and prevent you from living the life that you want.